Hey guys, Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Checking out my survival gear today and going over some equipment. And in the meantime, I want to share with you a really cool pouch that I've been using, and it is serving us very well. Especially with the meals inside, which by the way I have to finish a video on. Let me zoom in and show you about this. This is our portable food pouch, which slides right in here on the go, and is convenient to pull out. It's the right color for my bug out bag. It's not too much off the color of the bug out bag. And you guys might remember when I did the unboxing of this. I'm going to share with you the details and my thoughts on using this. First of all, the size. It's really big. I mean, that's convenient. The size of it was impressive, and the photos don't do it justice, I'll tell you that. This is really large. Let me zoom in on that for you and share some details. Now, be unique. What does it say? Be unique, be myself, B-U-B-M. I'll share the links of the product, where to get it, down below. Now this has got two pouches, two different chambers, and it's very well padded, so it protects our food. Now, this was marketed as a electronics gear bag. I thought about using it as a medical first aid kit or as a electronics gear bag, but I already have a box for my electronics. And it took me a while to finish this video review, because at first I wasn't sure what I wanted to use it for, so I tried using it for everything, but I ended up settling on a food pouch because it serves me better in that case. But it's very convenient for multi-purpose. Now what we have here is the smaller compartment, and I've got some sugar packets, some instant coffee packets, which is very valuable for comfort in the field. I don't use creamer myself, or no, this is the tea, sorry, the creamer's over here. We've got tea pouches for breakfast, which is good, valuable comfort items. Everything's in these little cool nylon straps, or stretchable straps, so everything stays in conveniently. Holds everything in place. The zippered pouch holds our tea. Here is the creamer I mentioned in the other zippered pouch. Oh, there's the company name, by the way. This is from ATailorBird. And I'll put the links down below so you don't have to worry about remembering that. And here I've got some silverware kits. There's a spork and a straw and a napkin. Very convenient to have on hand in a survival situation for comfort. I know it's not necessary, but it sure is convenient to have the comfort items. Alright? Of course, most of that is all comfort items, but survival is in part, keeping alive is in part keeping comfortable and keeping your morale up. Low morale is going to kill you just as well as anything. So in here we've got another larger pouch, which I'm probably going to add some more items to. Definitely I'm going to put a fire starter in here. You can never have enough fire starters in your bug out bag, so I'll definitely have another. I do have waterproof matches in here. Here I've got moist towelettes for cleaning your hands. Sanitation is extremely important in the field in survival. Now why I chose to use this for food is a thick, about nearly 1/4 inch thick sidewalls, padded sidewalls, and all the way around this is heavily padded. It's all very thickly padded, which makes it very perfect for crackers, cookies. We've got cookies, we've got peanut butter, energy bars, survival energy bars, very important. I've got a couple of them. I've got a waterproof pouch, Ziploc bag in case I need it for something. Peanut butter is good energy. I'm probably going to put a couple more of them in here. I like to take the peanut butter and crackers in the cookie, and that's a very good powerhouse of energy right there. I've got a chicken Spam can in here, and again, the padded case will protect that from getting dented up, smashed, or compromised in any way. Got a whole ton of crackers. I've got some miniature pretzels in here. Most salt items, because in summer you do sweat a lot more and you've got to replenish that sodium in your body. Here I've got a couple more crackers. I've got some little cookie packs. a little miniature Pop-Tart pastry type thing for breakfast. I can pack a little bit more in here, and I will. I do plan on adding some more food in here and fill this pouch up, but this is what I've got in here at this time. And of course, as we go out, we literally can take this pouch with us camping or hiking or on a fishing trip, and it has everything we need for the two of us for a meal. The peanuts, we ate the peanuts, but I'm going to throw another pack in here because that's a convenient snack item. And some sunflower seeds that I have. But basically these survival food packs that we bought recently go in here. And one of these cans serves the two of us with the crackers and the other things. So it's a very convenient pouch. Very versatile, a lot of uses for it. You can use it for the first aid kit because of its multiple compartments. I first was looking at it as a first aid kit because of all the stretchy multiple compartments. There's the mesh compartments here, then there's the 3 dividers here, there's 3, 6, 9 dividers here, another mesh compartment, another mesh compartment. I mean, as a first aid kit, this would be an awesome pouch. I may get more of these just because of the fact that it's so convenient for multiple uses. As an electronics pouch, of course, you put all your memory cards, which I did do. Again, why I didn't finish this video earlier. You can put all your memory cards and USB sticks in here, all your charging cables, all your charging devices, battery backups. I started out like that, but again, I wanted it for bug out bag. But it's a really, really good all-around universal bag, and for the size of it, extremely convenient. And what I love is because it's so well padded, you can flop it around. It's not going to mash up the stuff inside, which is great for a survival and bug out situation. So there you go, guys. The ATailorBird, I'd say very versatile, useful pouch. So I'll put the link down below, and check out the article for full details and reviews with dimensions and weight and everything else that is important for survival and bug out, if that's what you want to use it for. As a gear bag, it's great as well. Links down below, full article and review, and check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Please do like, subscribe, and share.